quick video here on types of graphs for everyone, so hopefully I'll get it done in 2 minutes. There's 10 different types of graphs here, and I just want to go through with you what the rough equations would be for these so you can spot them in an exam. So you could have pictures of different types of graph, and then underneath it allows you to link them to the right equation. So let's talk through these first two. First of all, these ones here, these are linear graphs. So this is in the form of y equals mx plus c. What you want to do is look at this c part. This is your y-intercept. So on this graph here, you can see that crosses at 1. So this equation would be y equals something x and then plus 1. So across at that point, it is positive because it's going up. Okay, then if we look at this next one, it's going to be y equals minus mx, and the y-intercept here is still positive, so that would be plus 3, and the gradient's going down. Okay, so that's why the gradient is now negative. This would actually be y equals minus 2x plus 3, and if you want to know how to find the gradient, it's worth watching the full video I've done on finding the equations of lines. So that's your first two that are fairly easy and quick to spot. The next one, which is this U shape, will just be y equals x squared. So you're looking for the squared part on an equation. It looks like a U, so that would be your x squared. The fourth one here, this is really similar, so it's going to be an x squared, but this time, because it's going down, it's a negative x squared. And that could not just be there, it could be up here, it could look like this, but it will still be a negative x squared. The fifth one up here in the top right, this one's actually called a reciprocal graph. So this will be y equals 1 over x. That's the equation you're looking for that one. This one underneath would be a reciprocal as well, and this one would be y equals minus 1 over x. Okay, so we've got linear graphs there, we've got two quadratic graphs there, and we've got these ones called our reciprocal graphs here and here. And then the final ones at the bottom here, the bottom one, these two here, we've got our cubic graph. So this first one would be y equals x, and what you're looking for is a power of 3. So when you have those two turning points, got a turning point there, and it looks a bit like a bit of spaghetti, x to the power of 3, and you can see here the one on the right, y equals minus x to the power of 3. Okay, so that one will be the opposite of that, it goes down. And then the final one, just really quickly, this is a horizontal and a vertical line. So this one in the very bottom left, it's going to cross the y-axis. Okay, so it's really important you understand that it crosses here, which is the y-axis. So it's y equals, and then wherever it crosses, so 1, 2, 3, 4, that would be y equals 4. And this purple one, you can see really clearly it crosses the x-axis here, and that point there would be at 1 and 2, so it's minus 2. So those two, you're looking at which axis does the line cross to get the answer to it. Okay, so they're the main ones that you need to be aware of. So you might have a graph, and you've just got to match them to the correct equation. Okay, hope that helps, and I hope you found it useful.